Hello Gucci's team, and welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone has been doing great. Today I want to share with you a beautiful meal idea you can inculcate into your meal register if you have anything like that. Yeah, so this is plantain pepper soup recipe. It is popularly known in West Africa, and this is a very healthy soup recipe. You can call it light soup, you can call it pepper soup, whatever you want to call it, but it is in the family of light soup and it's very healthy and very medicinal. You can also serve it with white rice, you can serve it with boiled yam, you can serve it with whatever you choose to. Even some people serve it with ripe plantain, but this is how I've served my family, and trust me guys, it was very delicious. Today I bring it to you. Let's do this. So guys, this is the tilapia fish we're going to be using for the plantain pepper soup recipe. Okay, this is one of my husband's native food, plantain pepper soup. We serve it our husbands as early as in the morning, like very early in the morning. As soon as they gather, we make this soup, and every of your husband brothers, your husband and entire family members will just be taking from the same pot. Sometimes we add yam, you know, so it's a very delicious soup recipe. I'm going to be making this for you all to see. So going on, we are using tilapia fish. I'm using 3 tilapia fish. I'm just going to go ahead and clean this fish nicely and get it ready for this soup recipe. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. And here we have plantain, which is the next item for this pepper soup recipe. So guys, plantain and the tilapia fish is one of the star of the occasion for today's recipe. Stay glued and enjoy. A very simple and quick way to open up your plantain. Sometimes some people say it's very hard, but watch me and see how I open it. Use this for my fish. Like to roast my fish, you can also use this. This is a tip. These are wonderful things a lot of people don't know today. It makes your fish comes out with a very unique taste. My mother taught me that. The Gen Zs doesn't know all of this. It's how to clean it. I'll show you another one. Take this out. Take this out. Do this. Doesn't matter where. Do this. And yeah, that's it. Make sure you wash nicely though, even before and after, so that your food is clean and you won't have to eat sand in your food. This is bound to happen, so if you see it this way, don't worry about it, just pick it out. See what it did to my hand. But anyways, look at all the plantains. See the little we got. See the little we got. That's what we got from all of this plantain. I'm going to wash this now and get it. So here's my lemon and lime. I'm still going to be adding it. I'm going to chop it into these big sizes so I can be able to blend nicely into the peppers and everything that is going into this pepper soup. This is herbs. I choose not to add, but trust me, if you add all of this, it will help you. Sinuses, it's going to help you really good, trust me. It's also a very good soup for fever and typhoid. I'm going to add all of this into the blend. Trust me guys, when you try things out, then you can give the results. I'm going to add my ginger and garlic into the blender. We ate a lot of this herbal food. Yeah. On this channel, I try to teach you the right things for your health. I'm also going to add my scotch bonnets. You can add any pepper of your choice. When you eat healthy, you stay healthy and very strong. You can make it a rough blend or make it a smooth blend. I'm going to chop these ones into my blender also. We want this very spicy. So if you don't want it spicy, that's fine. You know, remember it is fish, so we want it spicy. We want it spicy because it is fish. You can choose not to add all of these peppers. This is fish, so we are adding tomatoes and some green chili peppers. I'm going to blend all of this. You can skip the chili peppers if you don't like peppers. You can skip it or skip the tomatoes. This is my preference, guys. Also add your onion. Guys, this meal is also children friendly. Children loves this a lot. So this is my red shombo and some onion. Go ahead and blend it into it. I'm actually adding shombo into it because of the color. You can either add shombo or you add tatashe. Alright? Blend all your items, get all your things prepped, and then you just get started. This is our tilapia fish, nicely clean. I'm going to add it into the boiling water. Tatashe is red bell or paprika. So make sure you have a boiling water. Go ahead. That will help your fish to keep standing. Add your fishes gently so it will start cooking. This is a very quick and easy menu you can put in your menu, okay? And it doesn't take time to cook. Add gently so that it doesn't break. I'm going to go ahead with all of my blended stuffs. Remember, I have my lemon, lime, ginger, garlic, chili pepper, onion, and all of those beautiful stuffs, okay? Okay, at this point, you want to start adding everything so it can cook together. So I'm going to go in with my red peppers, tomatoes, and onion. I'll go in with my pepper soup ingredients. I'll go in with my crayfish. Adding Maggi star, 3 of those. Remember, this is tilapia fish. Sometimes you just need to season it well so that it will give you a very good taste. So I don't want to add any of those seasoning of this type, of that type. I just want my family to enjoy this pepper soup recipe. So I'm going to add 3 Maggi star. You can add any Maggi of your choice. Go ahead and add some more water. I'll go in with some pink salt. I'll cover it up and allow it to cook. As this one is cooking, I'm going to add my plantain in this pot. So I'm going in with some water for the plantain. So I'm going to add this water from this blender. This is just the water from the blender actually. 2 ways you can go about this, guys. You can go about it this way, or you can start with your plantain cooking before you add your fish, especially when you are using unripe plantain. So this is unripe plantain and you want it to cook nicely. So this is why I'm cooking this unripe plantain separately, but I'm going to still season it with the same thing that I used to season the fish. All right, same thing I used to season the fish, I'm going to use to season this plantain. This is unripe plantain. I just want it to cook nicely. You want to enjoy this pepper soup, make sure your plantain is very well cooked. If you're using yam, make sure your yam is very well cooked. I want it tasty also, so I added some of those pepper soup seasoning. I also added some crayfish. I'm going to add some Maggi seasoning. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this pink salt. Add some water if there is need. The same way you went about the fish is the same way you just want to go about it. All you're doing here is you just want enough broth. At the same time, you want your plantain to cook very well. So yeah, add water and make sure you cover it up to this level, and yeah, let's cook. So guys, I'm checking the plantain. It's already cooked. This is the reason why, because I want it cooked. I want it cooked, that it's not hard, and then I can allow the fish to cook well. So you can do it this way. So I'm going to add them into this pepper soup, or I'm just going to add this in the bowl. I'll show you what I'm about to do. Here is our pepper soup, guys. I'm going to add vegetable. This is nchon leaf. You can go ahead and add nchon leaf if that is what you have. Add nchon leaf. If you have any other leaf like basil, mint, you can go ahead and add. I'm going to add some more vegetables. Hubby likes vegetables, so I added some more. You can go ahead and add more vegetables. Just add to your preference. I'm going to add vegetables here. You can do without vegetables. Yeah. So you can see it doesn't have so much water. So what I did was just to make sure that it cooks well. That's all I did. So you can serve this one from here, and then you can add the pepper soup in it, or you either add the pepper soup separately and you add this one separately. So that's what I'm going to do right now. We're going to go ahead and serve, guys. We are ready. This doesn't waste time. Once your plantain is cooked, trust me, we are good to go. Have you liked this video? Please give it a massive thumbs up. This is beautiful. So this is how I'm going to be serving it. You can add your pepper soup inside. You can choose to add it separately. But just go ahead and do what you choose. The kitchen is yours. The ingredients are yours. Do what you choose. Food is ready. Very quick meal idea. Very easy to make. Guys, go ahead and add your pepper soup in a different bowl. What a very healthy meal idea, guys. If you serve your husband this one, you know what it is. Or your father, you know what it's going to do in their body, right? Let's add in some juice, guys. Look at that. This is very beautiful. I want to make sure there's enough juice. So go ahead and do this and make sure you have enough juice, because that's the reason for this soup. This light soup. Pepper soup. Plantain pepper soup. So let's add our plantain into the pepper soup proper, so it can keep soaking in and getting to know each other. You know what I mean? Once you go about it this way, yeah, you're still going to enjoy it. For my subscribers in Nigeria, this is something you need to be taking now, especially in this July season, rain season. Yeah. This is your plantain pepper soup, guys. And if you have watched till this moment, please give this video a massive like, share to your family, friends, and loved ones, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on your notification bell. Please turn on your notification bell for more videos, so anytime I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. If you like head of fish, please drop that comment on the comment section. Some people say they don't like head of fish, and for me, I do like head of fish, even though I don't really eat fresh fish. I treat my own fresh fish some certain type of way. Yeah, if you're like me, drop on the comment section, okay? I like smoked fish. Like if I was going to eat this pepper soup now that I made, I have to smoke the fish very well before I can make pepper soup with it. I don't know, for some reason I can't eat like fresh fish just like that. I like to smoke it first, be it catfish or any type of fresh fish. I like to smoke before I eat. If you're like me, drop on the comment section, okay? Guys, I can't go further. My husband have some visitors that came to see him. I'm sure you'll be hearing on the background they are talking. I don't want to talk when they are talking, but stay tuned and enjoy this video. I hope you find it very interesting. Please subscribe to this channel. So at this point, I'm going to start dishing on takeaway pack, so when they are leaving, they have something to go home with. Isn't this gorgeous? All right, so this is it. I hope you're going to try it, guys. Try it and let me know in the comment section. See how beautiful. This is for cold weather. It's for flu. It's for fever. I mean, this is gorgeous. Try this. I'm sure you will love it. I hope you have stayed to the end of this video. Gucci saying, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. See you in my next video. Ciao.